Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your MSI Stealth to two monitors at once. So you can easily do that by connecting one monitor to your USB-C port on the laptop and the second monitor to the HDMI port. So I have the monitor on the right connected to the USB-C port, and the other one I'm gonna connect to the HDMI port. So of course it has to be either HDMI or USB-C, and on the other end it has to be something that fits your monitor. So I'm just gonna plug it in now. And plug it into the monitor. And now as I turn my laptop on, or has it discharged? Yes, I think it has. So it has a really bad battery life. So I'm just gonna quickly plug it in. And now as I turn on my laptop, it'll start displaying image on both displays. And now it is, I know the right display is broken, I'm gonna fix it in a moment, but as you can see now it's displaying the same thing on both displays. And as I click on the Windows and P on my keyboard, then I can set it to extend. Then you can see it shows different things on both displays. Then you can click on more display settings, and here you can see there's your setup. So I'm gonna click on identify to know which display is which number. And now I'm gonna put my 3 on the left side. I'm gonna fix my second display, so I can just click on it, then set it to the correct resolution. And I'm gonna keep the changes. It should be right now. And now as I move my cursor to the right side, it moves to that monitor. As I move it to the left side, it moves on to the left monitor. You can also do the same with the window. So you can move it here, so you can see, or move it to the right monitor. This is pretty great. I can also rearrange them like that, so it's more accurate, like the heights. Or if I have one monitor above my laptop, so for example, if I move that monitor up, then place it somewhere here, then I can move that here. And now as I apply it, I can move my mouse here, I can move my window to that app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.